SOPA has moved up to 148 million shares, and so too is or so too has BANI, NVDA, BBAI, and Tesla. Okay, so yes, SOPA down 50, or rather up 55, roughly 55%. Let's see what we have. I think it's doing a couple of things. Let's see what we have. It signed a couple of agreements or something like that. Yeah, something positive going on for the stock. Let's see. Um, Based in Singapore. Okay, is launching a TMG Social in an effort to capture significant market share of the social commerce markets. The platform, which has a revenue target of $10 million in 2026, will allow brands to create a shoppable post with product targets and links. The platform will also have a shop now feature on trending TikTok challenges that involve relevant products and much more. Yeah, yeah. Its usual volume is around 4 million. It has done 148 million. So that's a huge one. Okay, so let's see. SOPA. Underlying trend, I think just neutral to bullish. And the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that it might remain strong up till Wednesday, the 31st. And after that, you may go into a distributive contraction. Okay, it has that history. You can see that it has that history. It did this in October 3rd. Okay, it wasn't that was when it ended, and it began. The spike began on the Friday, October 3rd. Let's see. Yeah, okay, yeah, Friday. So how many days? 3 days, 3 days of extension. So okay, well, let's see. Here it's saying it's going to be 3 days as well. Yeah, and pretty much a similar pattern, even though here we have more of a consolidation, more of a tight consolidation, more of a tight consolidation, or more of a volatile consolidation. Here it's just expected to be just um, not as dampened, not as damp. This is a lot more dampened, volatile and dampened. Yeah, yeah. Here it's just more of a contraction with various attempts to bounce, with an attempt to bounce. But, okay, the 40-day moving average is also expected to keep rising to contain any pullback that might happen. Let's see. Yeah, it was the case. Then it was rising as well. It was rising even when it was after contracting for some time. Yeah. So momentum is expected to continue to weaken and not expected to bounce again, at least up till early February of this year. BNAI up 111%. Okay. Here, the strength is expected to remain in place up till the 2nd. That's Friday, 2nd of January 2026. And after that, we might see a contraction. Momentum seems to be suggesting the same thing as well. And the 40-day moving average is also expected to continue declining regardless. But it may serve as a primary demand line maybe in future. But for now, yeah, as a matter of fact, yeah, in the near term, yeah, it might do so, but not expected to pose a challenge by Wednesday the 31st. Not expected to pose any challenge, at least anytime soon. Yeah. Okay, let's see whether we can get a news for BNAI. Brand engagement network finalizes agreement for a proprietary AI engagement solution with a leading global ad agency for one of the world's top pharmaceutical companies. Okay, that's a positive. Yeah, projections here. Let's see what we have. We didn't check projections for SOPA. 4.88 is this one. Yeah. So the probability of it retesting 3.09 is statistically very high, higher than 50%. No, I wouldn't say very high, higher than 50%, but doesn't mean it's going to happen. What of 3.32? Equally statistically very high as well. What of $4? No, statistically lower than 50%. Okay. Oops. What am I doing? Something happened here. Let's touch the. Okay, let's move on. NVDA. Let's see. In the interim, in the very short term, contraction is expected, at least up till the 8th of January. Projections are currently saying 1 point, sorry, 80, 188.76, 195.81, and then 200.16. Yeah, momentum is expected to remain elevated at least up till the 5th of January. Yeah, let's see what the news is saying. And Morgan Stanley highlights NVIDIA as a key stock for 2026. The company reported a $10 billion revenue rise in October, exceeding our guidance, and expects another $8 billion in January. NVIDIA's data center unit accounts for 90% of its revenue, totaling $57 billion last quarter, a 62% year-over-year rise, fueled by strong production demand outpacing supply, amongst other things. BBAI is expected to continue the downtrend is expected to remain in place. Now it's what it's been consolidating before now. Now it's the algos are saying it's going to be a contraction straight away. Okay, we'll see how it goes. But in the interim, I think our best bet is up till Friday. Maybe it may still continue to print lower prices. Yeah, projections here are saying 3.35, 3.9, 4.81, 7.57, 8.39, 8.9. Momentum is expected to continue to weaken as well, but is expected to pick up from the 29th of January. What is happening then? Yeah, as a matter of fact, yeah, so seems to be they seem to be in alignment. A bounce is seems to be suggested. It's being is expected based on the what the algos are saying here from the 29th of January. If you know what could possibly be coming up, then let us have a look. Let us know. Tesla down 3.22% is expected to continue to consolidate up till the 15th of January. From the 16th is expected that the uptrend may resume. Projections here saying 480.14, but we've seen as high as 630 or thereabout on its weekly chart. Let's see what we have on the weekly chart here. It's let's see what we have here. It's saying yeah, 536.24, 594.86, 631.08. But the extrapolation is for a contraction going all the way towards the 6th of July. That's a long time to come. But it's the point is that it's not expecting the uptrend to remain in place. But it may well defy all of that. Yeah, so see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.